Thinking about starting a website but don't want to spend too much on hosting? Here's a deal you don't want to miss. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off. And when you click the special link in the description, you'll also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically. That means you get one of the lowest prices possible without even entering a coupon code. It's already applied for you. Plus, you also get free extra months added to your hosting plan, free SSL for better website security, a free domain on eligible plans, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's basically zero risk. Whether you want to create a blog, start an online business, build an e-commerce store, or launch a professional website, Hostinger gives you everything you need in one place. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and trusted by millions of users around the world. But here's the catch. Promotional discounts like this don't stay forever, and prices can increase anytime. So if you want the maximum savings, click the first link in the description.